Want to start using the hpsmart app to control your printer or scanner, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the hpsmart app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download the hpsmart app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in hpsmart at the top. Tap hpsmart when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the hpsmart app. That's all it takes to download hpsmart. Want to learn how to link a wireless printer to your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.